Hello everybody, it's Janko here from Surviveware. I'm here to announce the winners of our Camo Survival Kit. 10 of these winners shipped to you for free. I just sent an email to these 10 winners, which I'm going to announce right away. So check your email, reply there, so that I got your address and I can get this over to you. Before I announce those winners, however, I've got a short little spiel. An advertisement for the June sweepstakes. If you go to surviveware.com/sweepstakes, you will see that this month's prize is absolutely incredible. It's worth $535, and that's because the person that's going to win at random this month is getting a large first aid kit, waterproof first aid kit, small first aid kit, 3 survival kits. So that's the red, the black, and the camo. And you can give them to the friend if you don't need 3. You can be someone's hero. We've got the wet wipes, we've got the trauma shears, we've got the survival duct tape, a new product that we really love, and you guys should check it out if you get a chance. That's the prize for June. So check it out, survivor.com/sweepstakes. I'm going to be announcing the winners right now, and what's curious about it this month is there were 10 winners, and the person that was first, Samuel David, he got the most points. He was a winner. The more points you have, the more interest you have, the better your chances of winning. Something curious happened though. The other 9 people didn't have a lot of points. 2 of them only had 1 point each. So 20% of the winners had 1 point. That means you only need to enter once and you can win, which is why this is so incredible. I've got nothing to do with it. The winners are picked by a robot, so everyone stands a chance. Don't get discouraged. You can still win this month, which is an incredible prize. So without further ado, I'm going to name the 10 winners. That is Samuel David, Rebecca from Buckhannon, Sherry Holt, Joyce K. McDaniel, Orlando Valencia, Samantha from Milton, Gary Shaw, Jose Pellot, Zach Carothers, and Chris Campbell. Guys, here they are. Congratulations. I'll also put it in the description. Thanks for playing. Everybody else that didn't win, enter our new sweepstakes. And you might be a winner. I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys are starting to enjoy summer. I thought it would never come. It's just been wet and rainy and dreary here in Virginia for a while. And finally it's summer. It's absolutely gorgeous outside. And you know, the whole pandemic going on. I hope you guys are safe. Hope we can open the shops and things can go back to normal, because we need to live our lives. So stay safe out there, take care of each other, and I'll chat to you guys soon.